Hello, my dearest students. I am Shanghamitra. Today, I am presenting on the face of it, which is the sixth chapter of Vistas of class 12. This play is written by Susan Hill. She was a renowned novelist, children's writer, and playwright of England. She was born there on 5th February 1942. She has written several fictional, non-fictional works. Among these, The Woman in Black, The Mist in the Mirror, and I Am the King of the Castle are the most important, most famous. For her notable works, she received the Somerset Maugham Award in the year 1971. So let us know what is the setting of this play, character and introduction, and obviously the summary of this play. Here you will come to close with two major characters. One is Derry and second character Mr. Lamb. Derry was a teenage boy who represents himself as a pessimistic character. That means he feels all the time negatively. And on the other hand, Mr. Lamb, who was an old man who represents himself as an optimistic character, he feels all the time positively. And both characters are suffering. That means Derry's face was disfigured due to acid. That's why he avoided the company of others and remained lonely. He believed that no one loved him. Even his mother loved him because she was supposed to. So one day Derry accidentally met a man, that old man, whose name Mr. Lamb. And Mr. Lamb, on the other hand, he was an optimistic character. He feels positively all the time. So Mr. Lamb also suffered because he was an old man with a lame leg, but he feels all the time positively. And all the episode has been occurred in Mr. Lamb's garden. That is the setting of this play. So now let's know what is the introduction of this play and then summary. It is an inspirational socio-psychological play. It shows a sense of loss and isolation at the beginning by the character Derry, who represents himself as a pessimistic character, and at the end it shows how to overcome from this deformity by the character Mr. Lamb, who represents himself as an optimistic character. It is a story how Mr. Lamb is able to fight a deformity happily. Though he had a lame leg, but Derry was not able to spend his life happily. He was withdrawn himself from the company of others. He was a defiant boy because he had a disfigured face. But at the end you will see Mr. Lamb was able to inspire Derry, and the true meaning of life he was able to tell the true meaning of life to Derry, and it tells about the triumph of optimism. So that is the introduction of this story. Let us discuss the summary of this story. The story starts with a teenage boy, Derry, who enters a garden. Due to an accident, when acid befell on his face and got burned on one side, he was afraid of facing people. That's why he has gone there to hide, because other people tease him for having such a face. Upon entering the garden, he finds someone already present there. Hence, he tries to leave, but the old man, Mr. Lamb, the actual owner of the garden, stops him. Not arriving without permission, Derry feels guilty. However, Mr. Lamb welcomes him in his garden, and tells him not to leave just because of his presence. People don't like his face, that's what Derry think, and that's why he wants to leave. Then again Mr. Lamb asks him to stay there. After that, they start having a conversation that how no one like Derry and how he hates people behaving like this with him. Also, Mr. Lamb attempts to console him. Mr. Lamb states to him that he has a tin leg and how kids make fun of him. Yet he enjoys his life to the fullest. Their conversation went on and revealed various things about Derry's fear, hatred, and depression about being in such a condition. Also, Mr. Lamb keeps on telling him to think about the positive things. Before long, they became friends, and Mr. Lamb asks Derry to assist him in plucking the crab apples of his garden. Derry stated to him that he had come too far from his home and hadn't told anything about this to his mother. So Mr. Lamb asks him to take permission from his mother. But Derry finds it difficult, and this leads to a small argument between both of them. Eventually, Derry agrees and tells Mr. Lamb that he would come back after asking permission from his mother. However, his mother does not want him to go, but he came back to fulfill his promise. In the meantime, Mr. Lamb climbs a ladder on his own to pluck the crab apples, as he was sure that Derry would not return. Moreover, because of his disability, it was difficult for him to climb. So she slips from the ladder and dies. On the other hand, Derry returns to the garden to help him, but on entering the garden, he sees him lying on the floor. Further, he attempts to move him, but didn't get any response from him. In the end, he came to know that he is dead and starts crying. So after reading this full story, after knowing the summary of the story, you will just get to know the writer actually wants to say through the whole story, we should never feel shame on our appearance. Also, we should be positive and optimistic about ourselves.